Today we're going to talk about one of the most dangerous species of mosquito, the malaria mosquito, Anopheles stephensi. This is your host Malcolm Walker on Wild But True. The scientific name of this mosquito is Anopheles stephensi. It is part of the Anopheles genus, and the species is named after the English physician Ronald Ross Stevens. Now, why did they name it after a human, instead of just calling it Anopheles too? Who knows? It is a major vector of malaria, especially in urban areas of India and the Middle East. And it is particularly common in urban areas of India and the Middle East. So if you live in the city and those parts of the world, be careful. Where does it breed? Well, it breeds in urban containers like discarded tires, flower pots, rain gutters, stagnant water, things like that. And it is active at night. So nighttime is when it's most active. So keep your window screens on if you live in those parts of the world. Now, it used to be thought that the Anopheles gambia is the main vector of malaria. But it turns out that it's actually a complex of several different species that look very similar to each other. They were all grouped together as Anopheles gambia, but now we know better. We know that Anopheles stephensi is a significant malaria vector in its own right, especially in urban areas. The Anopheles stephensi mosquito can be found throughout the Middle East and North Africa, as well as in parts of Asia, including India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Thailand, and Vietnam. In recent years, it has become a major public health concern in many of these areas due to its ability to transmit malaria. The Anopheles stephensi mosquito is a highly adaptable species that can thrive in a wide range of environments, including urban areas where it can breed in small containers of water, such as discarded tires, flower pots, and plastic containers. It is also highly active at night, when humans are most active, which makes it easier for the mosquito to find hosts to feed on. In addition to its adaptability and nocturnal habits, the Anopheles stephensi mosquito is also resistant to many insecticides, making it more difficult to control. This resistance has led to the development of new and more effective control strategies, such as the use of indoor residual spraying with long-lasting insecticidal nets and the elimination of mosquito breeding sites. Now, let's talk about the disease that transmits malaria. Malaria is a life-threatening disease. It's caused by parasites that are transmitted to humans through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. The symptoms of malaria can include fever, chills, headache, muscle pain, fatigue, and in severe cases, organ failure and death. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the number of malaria cases in many parts of the world, in part due to the emergence of drug-resistant strains of the parasite that causes malaria. The World Health Organization estimates that in 2021 alone, there were over 240 million cases of malaria worldwide, resulting in more than 600,000 deaths. So as you can see, malaria is a serious public health issue that affects millions of people around the world. If you are traveling to a country where malaria is prevalent, it is important to take steps to prevent mosquito bites, such as using insect repellent, sleeping under a mosquito net, and wearing long-sleeved shirts and pants when outdoors. You should also consult with your healthcare provider about taking anti-malarial medication as a preventive measure. So that was a quick introduction to Anopheles stephensi, the malaria mosquito. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Take care and stay safe.